Backyard renovation time-lapse videos are pulling in massive numbers on the short-form feed right now. Audiences find the step-by-step physical transformation incredibly satisfying to sit through. Let's break down the exact production pipeline to build these using a dedicated custom GPT in Google Flow. First, jump over to the ChatGPT Explore tab and open the Restoration Time-lapse GPT. We'll run the standard Start option to look through concepts. I'm selecting the underground renovation track, plugging in modern luxury for the style, a wine cellar framework, and choosing overcast studio lighting to keep our contrast clean. Now, instead of using a standard image generator, copy that first text prompt and jump directly into the Google Flow canvas. Drop the description into the prompt field, toggle over to image mode, and render. This gives you your raw starting frame, which establishes the baseline reference for the entire lot. To build out the chronological steps, copy the second prompt from your script and run it inside Flow to render the excavation and worker layer. Repeat this for the third prompt to capture the structural build phase, and finally run the fourth prompt to generate the completed, polished luxury backyard asset. Here is where the transition logic comes together. Switch the interface over to video mode and select the Omniflash engine. For your first scene, upload image 1 as your start frame and image 2 as your end frame, then paste the corresponding motion prompt from ChatGPT. Repeat this chronological A to B process for scenes 2 and 3. For the final scene, upload only your finished backyard image to run a single cinematic hero tracking shot. Drop all 4 exported clips into your editor, line them up sequentially on the timeline, and trim the cuts to show a flawless, continuous lot transformation. Hit subscribe for more direct tech workflows, and I'll catch you in the next one.